Introducing Aircharge Plus, a smart digital marker and digital services solution using traditional QR code as well as brand new Tap to Engage NFC technology. A solution that will aid your restaurant in offering an easy, contactless, and most importantly, safer customer experience. Now that your restaurant is equipped with a number of digital markers, let's go over exactly how they work and what their use cases are, so that you can confidently answer any questions your customers may have about the solution in the future. Firstly, each digital marker clearly shows the table number the marker is dedicated to, a QR code and NFC tag to provide the user access to the landing page, and Braille that says QR NFC so that visually impaired customers can also make use of the solution. There are two ways to engage the markers to access your restaurant's digital services. The first is via the QR code located in the center of the marker. To activate the QR code, the customer must scan it using their smartphone camera. Once the QR code has been successfully read by the customer's smartphone, it will open the landing page. The second way is via the NFC tag. To access this, the customer simply needs to tap their smartphone to the marker. If the customer is using an Apple device, the built-in NFC tag reader is located in the top section of the device. And if they're using an Android device, the built-in NFC tag reader is located in the middle section of the device. Customers may have a few questions on their mind as NFC is a new technology. Here are a few troubleshooting steps. The iPhone XS onwards has the tap function incorporated in the operating system. The easiest way to activate the NFC on an Apple device is to place the phone over the tag whilst the phone is asleep, and then tap to wake, which will automatically trigger the NFC every time. Phones older than the iPhone XS require the user to access the NFC reader function within the control center. Finally, if you are assisting an Android user with the use of Aircharge Plus and they are having trouble activating the NFC, it may be that they don't have the NFC activated in their settings. Assist them in searching NFC in the settings search bar and select to turn it on. Once the digital marker has been engaged, it will open the landing page. A message will automatically appear welcoming the customer to the table and asking if they would like to place an order. If the customer presses yes, the landing page will take them straight through to your mobile ordering platform if they have it pre-installed so they can place their order. If the customer chooses not to order just yet, they will be able to choose from several different digital services, including accessing your venue's latest deals, the Wi-Fi access code, and whatever else your brand has chosen to display. Now that your venue is equipped with Aircharge Plus digital markers, you have the tools to provide your customers with a new and fresh customer experience. Thank you for taking the time to watch this training video, and good luck!